Welcome back to the final part of our FreeQMS Nonconformance Record tutorial series for SupraJoint, a fictional medical device company specializing in orthopedic hip implants. In parts 1, 2, and 3, we created the Nonconformance Record, conducted containment, investigation/root cause, and correction/rework activities, and notified the supplier of the corrective actions. Today, we'll focus on conducting the verification of effectiveness activity and closing the record with an electronic approval cycle. Let's get started. Log in to FreeQMS with your username and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Nonconformance module. In the Nonconformance module, locate the Nonconformance record we created in part 1 titled Nonconformance, Anodization Issue with LuminaFlex Hip Implant Fixational Screws. Click on the record to open it. To begin the verification of effectiveness activity, click on the Nonconformance Activities tab near the top of the record and click the Create Nonconformance Activity button. In the verification of effectiveness activity, document the plan for verifying the effectiveness of the corrective actions. For example, we'll place a new order with the supplier to see if follow-up orders suffer from the same nonconformance. Once you've documented the plan, click Save to create the record without closing it. Now, select the verification of effectiveness activity again, and in the Evidence Verification section, attach a copy of the new order placed with the supplier. After some time has passed, we've received the order of 1,000 new screws from the supplier. And I'm pleased to inform you that all of the screws were inspected as conforming, and they have the correct Pantone silver anodization color. Edit the verification of effectiveness activity and document the positive verification results. The corrective actions have proven effective as evidenced by the conforming order received. Now, mark the activity complete with today's date. In the Evidence Verification section, attach the incoming inspection record for the 1,000 new screws. Throughout this video series, we've covered several steps in the Nonconformance record process. On the Information tab, we entered the nonconformance details, identified the affected screws, and set the disposition to rework. We conducted containment, investigation/root cause, and correction/rework activities, and notified the supplier. We also verified the effectiveness of the corrective actions through the verification of effectiveness activity. With all nonconformance activities marked as closed, the record is now ready to be closed as well. Click on the Approvals tab to initiate the electronic approval access. Click on the Approvals tab to initiate the electronic approval process. Click Add an Approval Cycle to close this open nonconformance record. I'll create an approval cycle with myself as the approver. Please note that multiple users with access to the Nonconformance module can be added to the approval cycle. The best part here is that FreeQMS is a free system, so companies and departments of any size can get started with it immediately. With the approval cycle created, let's click Approve to sign the record electronically using my password. Please remember that validation of electronic signatures is covered in FreeQMS's 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. Thank you all for watching our FreeQMS Nonconformance Record video series. We hope you found it helpful in understanding the process of handling nonconformances within the system. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Remember to always prioritize quality and compliance in your medical device manufacturing. Happy quality managing.